All right, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we went from this to this. I know, right? So she had this wig for 3 whole weeks, and I'm going to show you how to make an old wig look brand new. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So I have this wig from All Love Hair. Now, I know some of y'all be like, listen, we be seeing the initial install, but what do these wigs look like weeks later? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to completely refurbish and replenish this wig after my assistant wore it for 3 whole weeks. All right, so 3 things that I'm looking out for, okay? Number 1 is when I try to wash and condition the hair, is the hair gonna get tangled? Because that's a big concern. Number 2 is when I try to comb the wig out, is it gonna be shedding or is it gonna be fine? And number 3 is when I try to install the lace back, is the lace gonna still look thick and still look natural, or is it gonna look bald and shedded? So let's see. All right, so number 1, when I shampoo this wig, is this hair gonna tangle up or am I still gonna be able to comb it after all this? Now, I've seen wigs that looked really nice and soft, when you first get it, looks like, it won't give you no problems, but the moment you put water and shampoo on it, girl, goes crazy. So we're gonna see, what this does after I shampoo it. All right, y'all, so I'm officially at my second shampoo, and surprisingly, the wig is looking nice. Like, the hair is still good, and I didn't even take my paddle brush to it yet, and it's still manageable. So far, so good. All right, so the lace still has a little bit of glue on it, and I'm gonna try to get the rest of it off with the other side of the lace and the shampoo. But whatever I can't get off in the sink, I'm just going to rub it off with my towel upstairs. All right, so now I'm going to condition the hair, and y'all, these products that I'm using are so amazing, and this conditioner smells so good. Like, it smells like bubble gum or cotton candy. Like, it smells edible, even though I know it's not. But if you want to know where I got this shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to put it in the comments below. So far so good. The wig looks good, it's manageable, and when I combed it out with the paddle brush, not too much hair came out. All right, y'all, so let's see what this wig looks like right now. And I mean, honestly, it looks great. Like, what can I say? So when I was shampooing it, I mean, it was still manageable. I was able to comb it out really easily, and it didn't really shed excessively. So, all wigs are gonna shed a little bit, especially curly hair. So that was normal. So yeah, so far so good. Now, I know when you're buying a wig, sometimes you can be a little skeptical, you know what I'm saying? Because you want to get that wig where when you wash it and reinstall it, I mean, it just looks brand new over and over and over. And nobody wants to get a wig where after the first time you wear it, it just starts to look dry and it starts to get mangled and tangled. You know what I'm saying? So we're putting this wig to the test today to see if we can really make it look brand new. All right, so my assistant Brianna has a lot of baby hairs, right? And they come down kind of close to her eyebrows. So instead of trying to comb them back and slapping a whole bunch of glue on them and just sticking the wig on there, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna split them in half so I don't have to get that much glue on her hair. All right, so we let the glue sit for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, so it can turn clear and get nice and tacky. Now let's stick this wig back on. All right, so we got to pull out the old trusty lace tint foam, okay? Because the lace is a little bit light, and it was light when we first got the wig. It's not like it got lighter over time. So when you apply the lace tint foam, it actually washes off when you wash the lace. So it doesn't permanently stain it. So yes, you do have to keep reapplying it when you reinstall your wigs at home. All right. Now, one thing that I feel like I could have and probably should have done was put the wig a little further up and cut some of that lace off. But I tried not to do that because I tried to, keep the same amount of lace on the wig so that when she reapplies it, it's not like a whole bunch of lace missing. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just try to keep all the lace on there, and whatever just kind of looks like excess lace, I'm gonna try to cover with the baby hair. So that's my plan for today. You know what's funny? Oh, when I was doing this, I was really satisfied, and it kind of brought like a nostalgia type of feeling because when I used to work at my old shop like 4 years ago, I used to love when girls came in for what we called a quote unquote frontal fix. And that's basically when girls came from other stylists and we would promote that we can fix a frontal. Like, if you don't like your hair, come take it to Galaxy Girl and we'll fix it for you. So girls would come and they would tell us their horror stories, and we would literally take the frontals off, clean them, re-bleach the knots, pluck them if we had to, and we would reinstall it and make it look brand new, and they would love it. So it actually does bring me a lot of satisfaction to, refurbish wigs and frontals. Like, I don't know why, but it's just so fun. All right, so as far as these baby hairs go, I mean, for some reason, I just wanted to do something really dramatic, really big and swoopy. So, I guess that's just what we're doing today. All right, so me and Brianna were trying to contemplate, whether we should flat iron it or keep it curly. So I'm just gonna blow dry it real quick to see how easy it gets straight so I can decide if flat ironing it is a good idea or not. Okay, but wait, this looks really full. Like, wait. I did not know those wet curls was gonna get this big. So that's definitely a pleasant surprise. Like, this is a whole look. Like, if Brianna wanted to leave my studio just like this, I would be okay with that. Whoa, I did not. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still shocked that this wig got this big. Like, what? Like, that was crazy. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and go with the middle part today. All right, so even though I love how this hair looks right now, I love it, like it's giving SZA from 2011. We're gonna go ahead and wet it down with some foam and some water so we can get it back to that curly state. All right, you guys, so this is the final result, and I don't know about y'all, but this lace is looking super clean, and if no one asked her, they would think it's a new install, okay? Period. New wig, all that. So once again, thank you so much, All Love, for sponsoring this video with this curly lace front wig. Now, if you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.